Hey guys, what up? This is Elias with the Yes Do It team. Receive a big hug from the Costa Rican jungle. From the very bottom of our hearts, we wish you an amazing 2021 full of glory and filled with absolutely fun days. Now that's pretty much the only motivational sentence that you guys will find in today's video. So I want to start the year with the right foot, just like every one of us, right? It's only natural that we tend to feel more energy these days because we're super excited about the New Year plans, right? However, the holiday season is pretty much coming to an end, and all it is left right now, it's either a horrible headache from partying hard all these days, or the very well-known New Year's resolutions list. As this video title says, I think that the New Year's resolutions list could really fuck you up, and the reason I believe so is these bullet points that you write down somewhere or even just try to hold them in your memories are kind of a ritual that most of the time just ends up on that. Now this isn't just me saying something here, I'm about to prove it to you. Check this out. I bet you one big old fat of the best Jervis Drummond that if you did build your New Year's resolution, there is one point in that list for sure, and it is to go to the gym. And in fact, don't believe me, just watch.
Don't believe me, just watch.
I'm gonna do a quick search right here. Check this one out, guys. It really makes perfect sense. Of course, you get to February, and instead of people working out and shit, the place is completely empty and there's even YouTubers trying to capture ghosts in camera. And hey, I'm not saying you should feel guilty or anything, but if, for instance, you were feeling super powerful whenever you were writing your list and you were like, I will go to the gym Monday to Friday and do a full workout of 2 complete hours. Go figure, you couldn't keep up. And that's actually when the worst thing happens, I think. Because now there is 1 or 2 items in that list that you're not getting done as you actually promised yourself. And then your mind kind of understands that the problem isn't really you, but maybe the fact that the bar was, for example, set too high in the first place. Or simply the environment variables that made you fail. So my advice to you disciplined cabrones and cabronas is do not plan for the whole year. Instead, measure your little steps and grow from there. Make it the most realistic possible so that then you can have that sense of achievement that will definitely fill you up with more and more energy. And then you're ready to replan your list with bigger tasks, for next week or for next month. And when it's March, then you may want to start planning for the next trimester. But now you're absolutely ready. You have the tools because you have been building this self-discipline for over 3 months now. Then in June, you want to start planning your 6 straight months resolution list, and so on. So to wrap this up like a nice burrito, number 1, do not write a year resolutions list. Instead, do a first week resolutions list and go from there. Number 2, I'm going to be posting my own first week resolution list on my Instagram profile. So go follow, should be somewhere over here. And number 3, do not set the bar way too high because it could really make your future me have a very bad time. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go real quick to create more content and be right back with you. By the way, for tomorrow I have a sales advice that is as profitable as simple. So stay tuned. Bye.